Hello. In this video, we'll show you how to configure the Object Recognizer module in Xeoma Video Surveillance software. Object Recognizer can detect 11 types of objects in the video stream. Detection of all object types is available if a license for the additional Object Recognizer module is activated on your server. If you only need one or several object types, we recommend saving money by purchasing one or more licenses for Object Recognizer, one type. Add the Object Recognizer module to the chain. For the module to work correctly, place it in the same line as the Universal Camera module. Then, in the Universal Camera settings, enable the Use H.264 stream from archive in single camera view mode. If you want to see visualization, add the Preview or Preview and Archive modules after Object Recognizer in the same line. We'll cover different module chain schemes with Object Recognizer later in the Use Cases section. Step 3. Configure the module. Click on the module icon in the chain to open its settings. Select Show Detailed Settings to access all available options. First, make sure Use the High Resolution Stream from Archive option is enabled. This way, high-resolution video stream will be used for recognition, improving accuracy. Next, click Download the data for module operation. After the download is complete, a list of available objects types will appear. Select one or more object types and set the recognition accuracy for each. The recommended accuracy is between 70 and 80%, as this helps avoid false alarms while still reliably recognizing the required objects. Then, adjust the recognition interval slider, which defines how often Xeoma will check the frame for objects. Lower values increase accuracy but also increase system load. Optimal values are 100, 200, or 300 milliseconds. Next, choose the operating mode. In Process Selected Objects mode, the module switches to the triggered state when an object matching its settings is detected. In Not Process Selected Objects mode, the module will trigger on every type of objects except the selected ones. If your server has an NVIDIA graphics card with CUDA support, you'll see an extra option, Use CUDA Recognition. With this enabled, all recognition is offloaded to the GPU, significantly improving recognition speed and accuracy. The minimum supported card is NVIDIA GeForce 1060. After enabling CUDA, choose one of 3 recognition quality levels, Basic, Better, or Maximum, depending on your GPU performance and the number of Object Recognizer modules running on the server. Use the post-record slider to set how long the module will stay in the triggered state after the recognized object disappears. This is typically used when archive recording is tied to object recognition events. The Save Data in CSV Report option allows you to log all recognition events with date, time, camera name, and detected object type. To save the settings, click the check mark. The module is now configured and ready to use. Let's talk about 2 main use cases of Xeoma's Object Recognizer. Use Case 1, Intrusion Detection. If you have a room where people should not be present at certain times, the Object Recognizer module can be used to set up an automatic intrusion detection system. This works equally well for apartments and homes, warehouses, production facilities, or even high-security areas. In this module chain, the Universal Camera module acts as the signal source. With the Scheduler module, you can specify when the Object Recognizer module is active. The recognizer itself is set to detect people, but you can set it to any other object type if needed. If your aim is securing your home but you have pets, you can configure the recognizer to ignore animals. The email sending module is connected for alerts and can be replaced with the Telegram bot notifications module, as both support the object macro, which allows to attach not only the image but also the name of the recognized object type. The sound alarm module will play a siren sound on the server in case of intrusion. Object Recognizer is also connected directly to the Preview and Archive module, allowing both archive recording and on-screen visualization of recognized objects. If you require continuous archive recording, rebuild the chain the following way. For motion-based recording, add and configure the motion detector module. We recommend checking our video tutorial on how to do this. Use Case 2, Object Absence Detection. Sometimes, the absence of an object in the frame is the real alarm, for example, a missing worker at a workplace, a car gone from a parking spot, or livestock missing from a stall. This module chain works almost like the previous one. The object recognizer triggers when the required object is detected. If the object is present, the module remains in triggered state. The following duration detector module is configured to trigger if the previous module stays in the not triggered state longer than the set time. For instance, if a worker is absent for more than 5 minutes, the system will trigger an alarm, you'll receive a notification and a siren will be played on the server. The module system in Xeoma is very flexible, so the possible use cases of Object Recognizer go far beyond these two scenarios. You can use it in manufacturing, agriculture, wildlife monitoring, and much more. The only limit is your imagination. If you'd like to master building professional-level module chains, we recommend watching our detailed video tutorial on Xeoma's module system. If you encounter any difficulties while configuring the Object Recognizer, please contact our technical support team for free. You'll find the links in the description.